Many artists, illustrators, and graphic designers have started to turn towards using tablets to complete their art projects. A good drawing tablet offers an artist a light, handy, responsive, and electronic option to get projects done, even when they aren't at the office. A drawing tablet is a computer input device that enables a user to hand draw images, animations, and graphics with a special pen-like stylus, similar to the way a person draws pictures with a pencil and paper. So if you're looking for one, then we can help you with some of the best in the business. Check out our new video to get more details about some of the latest products on the market. The Wacom Cintiq Pro 13 features the latest Pro Pen 2 technology and has the most advanced creative pen display in the smallest form factor. It offers Wacom Pro Pen 2, which gives you Wacom's most accurate and superior pen performance and realistic pen-on-paper feel. It comes with 4 times higher pen accuracy and pressure sensitivity than previous versions, outstanding tilt recognition, and virtually lag-free tracking. Also, it works with your favorite 2D and 3D creative software to give you the authentic feel, accuracy, and control to create anything that you can imagine. You can also customize your workflow with programmable on-screen radial menus and pen side switches, or you can add the Express Key remote for additional shortcut keys and navigational controls. Besides, you can connect it to Mac or PC via a single USB-C cable, or use the included Wacom Link Plus to connect via mini DP or HDMI. The Huion H610 Pro offers 8 customizable buttons on the side and 16 hotkeys along the top for erasing, zooming in and out, scrolling, and a lot more for convenience, which can be managed to your preference. Also, the rechargeable pen is light and comfortable to hold. With 2048 levels of pressure sensitivity and 2 programmable buttons, it can provide precise control of your cursor so you can draw accurately and efficiently. Besides, it comes with a black glove, which reduces hand versus tablet friction, and a carrying bag that guards your Huion digital tablet against scratches and scrapes. Moreover, it is compatible with Windows 7/8/8.1/10 and Mac OS X 10.8.0 and later versions. Another advantage is that it helps you to accomplish the most sophisticated designing, drawing, and writing tasks. The Parblo Coast 10 has a 10.1-inch IPS HD LCD and weighs 630 grams. It offers horizontal 170 degrees and vertical 170 degree viewing angles that allow you to see the screen in a very comfortable way. It has a unique and convenient operation all in one design that can meet various kinds of drawing creation, secure digital signature, easily fulfill the function of smooth handwriting. Also, it comes with a passive pen with 2048 levels of pressure sensitivity. It feels your pressure precisely and provides you with a highly responsive and natural feeling. Besides, it uses portable high-speed 4-ports USB 3.0 hub for rapid increase 4 USB 3.0 ports to your computer with the high-speed USB 3.0. Moreover, it provides a black glove with 2 fingers, specially designed for those artists who use a graphics tablet / lightbox / tracing light pad for their creative work. The Huion Inspiroi Q11K offers a built-in 2.4G high-speed wireless connectivity, can reach up to 10 meters transmission distance. It has a double pen button with anti-touch design that can effectively reduce the chance of false touch. Also, it has an ultra-lightweight polymer battery that can work 350 hours after charging 1.5 hours. Besides, it provides an automatic sleep circuit that can enter and shut down state automatically when the pen into or leave the pen holder. It comes with an aluminum magnesium alloy chassis with tumbler design, which is as stable as a rock, and the narrow bottom design can save valuable desktop space. It is suitable for both left-handed and right-handed users. Moreover, it can also insert to your computer with the included USB cable for standard wired use. Another advantage is that it offers newly designed pen holder, which allows you to place the pen vertically, which better protects the pen from dropping down, and has 8 extra replacement pen nibs which are inside the pen case. Holding the first place among the list of best drawing tablets, we have the Wacom Intuos Pro. It supports 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, tilt response, and virtually lag-free tracking. It has a smaller and more compact footprint than the previous models, while maximizing the active working area. Also, it offers express keys and touch ring that provide quick and easy shortcuts for everyday tasks. Besides, the multi-touch surface lets you zoom, pan, and navigate. Moreover, you can connect it to your PC or Mac with built-in wireless Bluetooth or a USB cable. Another advantage is that the Wacom Pro Pen 2's side switches put shortcuts and controls literally at your fingertips. You can choose from 3 different texture sheets to change the feel of your Wacom Intuos Pro. Thanks for watching.